if you have the things which you can't solve, then meditate. Meditate in this case is meditate and achieve that nothingness. This is difficult. At that time, use your hand is at this. Right? Now sit down like this. Left hand up, right hand down in this case. Okay? And do it. Some meditation go left hand down and this is up. Okay? Like some meditation go like that. Okay? But in these meditations, left up, right down. And you do after several times, try to be no thinking. Don't think. Don't think I am meditating. Don't think I should not think, I should not think. Okay? All right? Just don't think. Okay. In the beginning, that's difficult. James Bond comes. Your lover's image comes. This and that, your thinkings. Oh, I should not think. That way thinking. Many things comes. Okay? But train it. Then soon become able to do when you do non-thinking. Non-thinking. Right? Do that 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Open eyes. Then become new image. Maybe at that time still continuing the will, still may arise again will of book writing, etc. Right? Then new format, new idea comes. So former various trouble already you can erase or you can deform, you can change. Non-thinking meditation. That means you gain back after you create many crowds in the blue sky. Now you erase that crowd and see again blue sky. Then again you create as you like new sky, new crowd. Okay? Second, if you like to do creating new image, then your form of this way, creating, right? This way, attach. Heaven's force, earth's force, attach. Creating image. What you like to do, creating. Okay? And by that, you be one with heaven and earth, and you think, I like to do that.